Subject: Arithmetic. Topics: Squares and square roots, simple interest and compound interest, ratio and proportion, profit, loss, and discount, HCF and LCM, cubes and cube roots, percentage and averages, partnership, number system, mass, mean, median, and probability. Syllabus for English. English antonyms: active and passive voice, substitution, sentence improvement, synonyms, spelling test, substitution, passage completion, idioms and phrases, sentence completion, error correction, underlined part, transformation, prepositions, sentence arrangement, fill in the blanks, spotting errors, para completion, joining sentences, error correction. Syllabus for basic computer skill, fundamentals of computer architecture, data representation, control unit design, use of basic data structures, programming, processor design, personal computers and their typical uses, number systems, memory organization, I/O system organization.